How to program the OSI Wi-Fi security system to call your cell number. To program a phone number, select Menu, then select Phone. You can program up to 5 phone numbers. Select the first phone. Select this button to enter your cell number. Enter your cell number into the alarm panel. Select the check mark to save settings. When the dial phone button is turned on, your cell phone will be called when the alarm is triggered. If you have more than one phone number programmed, the alarm panel will continue to call each number until a phone answers. Select this button to turn on this feature. When the Send SMS button is turned on, a text message will be sent to your cell number when the alarm is triggered. Select this button to turn this feature on. Select the check mark to save settings. You will then be returned to the phone menu where you can program additional phone numbers. Select the back arrow twice to return to the main menu.
Well, we hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please give us a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, just drop us a comment below. And if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. All the products that you see on our channel are available with free shipping at osigodirect.com or amazon.com. Those links are provided in the description below. My name is Brandon Paris, and thank you for watching.